Bat12 Project is an amazing set of daily publications which can help buyers and sellers to be even more successful on Bring a Trailer. In addition to being a substantial repository of current and historical auction data, it is a great daily read. As a seller, you need to get the maximum hammer. You want to optimize your interactions with the top bidders to prime their bidding. Like any good live auction, it's time to goose the paddles. To maximize your effort, you need to analyze your top bidders' past bidding behavior to learn how they play, their momentum, their timing, so that you know exactly how long before the close in real time to prompt them to raise their paddles. It's basic behavioral analytics to maximize the hammer. To start, log into Bat12 Project and go to the Instant Archive page. This app pulls any archived auction summary and bid history chart by vehicle ID or auction listing page link. Now go to your auctions page on Bring a Trailer. Locate your bidders in the comments section. Click on each bidder's handle to open their personal pages. Click on each of their relevant past auction plays to pull up that auction page. Copy the auction page URL. Paste the URL into the Bat12 Project Instant Archive Option 2. Then get the auction comment summary and bid history. If the auction has not already been summarized, it will be created in real time. At the bottom of the page is a view chart link to the auction's bid history. Open the chart and scroll through the bids to locate your target bidder's call sign. View and record the target's bids as regards the time of the bid relative to the close of the auction. This is essential to knowing at which exact point in your auction to engage in order to prompt this bidder into action. When did they jump in? How close to the end of the time clock did they last bid? And is their bidding behavior a grinder or a sniper? If you haven't checked out Bat12 Project yet, try a free demo subscription. Simply use the code Cars and Coffee to register. Get the free demo and check it out now.